Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beginner series makeup look. This is super easy and simple. It's a soft pop of color and I haven't done a beginner series video in a long time, so I thought that these little palettes would be perfect for that. It's a W7 Bare It All palette and I found these little palettes at Five Below for under $5. So always you want to prime your eyes no matter what. This is going to prevent creasing. This is going to help with the pigment to grab onto the eye, and always wear loose powder under your eye to catch any fallout. Now the first shade we're going to be taking in this little palette is the closest shade in the palette that's to my skin tone, and I'm just taking this on a fluffy crease brush and I'm going to tap off the brush. Always do this and it will help knock out the excess pigment and prevent a lot of fallout on your face. Also, the powder helps with that as well. And I am just going to windshield wiper that in the crease, literally rock it back and forth messily because it's so close to my actual skin tone shade. This is the transition shade we're going to use. This is going to lay down a shade that is going to not only help with blending, but it just transitions out into the brow bone area, and like I said, everything's going to blend nicely. Next, I'm picking up a brown in the palette that is a warm tone, and it is a few shades darker than my own skin tone, and this is going to be placed on the flat side of this crease brush, and I'm using the same brush the entire look, and I'm going to pat that in my outer corner to build that up. So pat, 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 build the shade up, and then later we'll go in and start kind of blending and kind of sweeping, but right now we are building the shade up. So just pat that in your outer corner. I'm going to bring that slightly up into the crease, but no higher than my orbital bone. I'm absolutely using that as a guide, and if you do not know where your orbital bone is, it is the bone you can feel in your above your eye socket, basically. So use that as a guide for your eyeshadow. And I barely go above that. Next up, I'm going to be taking the very beautiful shimmery purple shade in this palette. And any colorful shade you want to use will be perfect for this because we use browns in the crease, browns in the outer corner. You could do blue, yellow, purples, pinks, whatever you want. I'm applying this shade with my finger because it comes off more pigmented and applies just best in general on the finger over a brush, and it would be a much lighter application if I used a brush, but it just sticks and adheres a lot better and appears more shimmery and vibrant while using the finger. Now you're going to see me pick up a little bit more of that darkest brown that we used, and I'm going to apply some more of that or outer corner, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the first shade we used as a transition, the one closest to our skin tone color, and then blend that into the crease. So you just have a light hand and blend that. Now I'm going to be taking a face powder, which I think is pretty great for highlighting. Not only is it very similar to your skin tone, but this will help blend shadows down if they went too high. It literally works like a magic eraser to bring down shades. I'm going to take some more of the transition shade between the brow bone and the crease area just to make sure all those are blended together. And when blending, once again, take a very light soft hand, and you want to hold your brush further towards the end of the handle so you have loose control and you're not applying too much pressure to move around the eyeshadows so they don't become muddy. I wiped away my fallout, and now I am dragging a little bit of the darkest brown I used on the lower lash line just to create some more depth down there. Now I'm going to do a very thin line of L'Oreal eyeliner here, and then I am just going to put a brightening eyeliner pencil in my waterline so my eyes are open, and I'm using Rimmel's Extra Long Lash Mascara. And that was Wet n Wild's brow highlighter actually that I put in the waterline, but you can use any nude eyeliner. This is the finished eyes, and I think it's very simple and easy and very easy to achieve. For lips, I just simply put some gloss, and this LA Colors Holographic Iridescent Lip Gloss in Heavenly. And this, my friends, is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this beginner series. Soft pop of color, very soft look, very easily done. The eyeshadow portions of this video, I want to note, are not sped up in any way, and one eye took 3 minutes and 26 seconds, so under 7 minutes you could have both eyes completed. And I thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as product lists. Check the cards, and there'll be a beginner series playlist link in the cards or in the description box. Thank you so much again for watching.